I'm Kerry Peters, a recognized thought leader in the Microsoft Dynamics community and a Microsoft MVP for business applications. Welcome to the Get Your New View podcast. Keep listening to learn how we work with frustrated Business Central and NAV users who struggle to use their system and find the answers that they need. We teach them to truly understand how the system can support their business processes to make immediate and lasting improvements. As a result, they get more done in less time, make better business decisions, and even love their system. 2024 is a new year, and we're looking forward to helping you to solve problems at your business related to how your company uses Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. You'll see some new faces in the podcast this year, but before you do, I want to tell you a little bit about our new on-demand training classes, which you can find on learndynamics.com. How often are you struggling with efficiency with your accounts payable? It's so easy to just do what we've always done with accounts payable. However, there are so many improvements to these business processes in Business Central, I can guarantee it's time you reevaluated what you were doing. Get rid of paper checks and start transacting your payments electronically, all with out-of-the-box Business Central software capabilities. You'll go through the entire payables lifecycle to understand how Business Central handles those transactions behind the scenes. You'll learn about the common issues to avoid and methods to make quick corrections when needed. We'll also look at what reports are available and how they can help you ensure everything ties out as it should. You can find this class and more on-demand classes on learndynamics.com. Go look to see which one fits best for you. Did your team ever really get good training to understand how to use your business software? Do you think you could use more features of your software if you just knew how? Are you frustrated with inefficiency that never seems to get better? Do you suspect that there just has to be a better way, but you don't know what that is? We believe every company can benefit from increased efficiency and higher utilization of their software, and that it's possible to have fun while learning exactly how to do that. The experts at NewView Strategies work with frustrated Business Central and NAV users who struggle to use their system and find the answers they need. We teach them to truly understand how the system can support their business processes to make immediate and lasting improvements. As a result, they get more done in less time, make better decisions, and even love their system. Please contact us at getyournewview.com to get started.